something that looks familiar. Can you see it? It's Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee HK. As you can see, they also have chicken burgers and spaghetti. Let's try inside. Chicken Joy. Oh, sorry.
Spicy?
Thank you. Yes. C2. You accept card, right?
No card.
Oh. But how about octopus, okay?
Octopus yan.
Yeah.
Sito spicy?
Yes.
And then,
Coca-Cola.
French fries or rice?
French fries.
Dining takeaway.
Dining.
49 pesos kung kayo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
$17, $18. Thank you. We are going to eat at a very, very familiar place. Feels like home. Pareho lang ang lasa. In fairness. Kakamayin ba natin ito? Guys, welcome to Jollibee, Hong Kong. Walang sinamang utensils, so I guess kakamayin yata natin. This is their hot and spicy chicken. Let's try. Yung bread niya pareho lang yung lasa. Pero yung chicken niya mas tender and juicy, as you can see. Busok-busok pa. Actually, yung balat niya mas malapit sa feel ng KFC. Unlike sa Pilipinas, medyo matigas yung pagkaka-crunchy niya. Ito parang yung spicy chicken ng KFC. And it's cheat day today. That's why I'm drinking Coca-Cola. Mag-burn na lang tayo ng sugar later on after our dinner. Sarap. But then again, yung fries, pareho-pareho. So this is what I'm eating now. The spicy chicken joy. May gravy pala tayo. Parang mas masarap dito. Marami kumakain. Mga Chinese. Kain muna ako. Sarap. Mas tender, tsaka mas juicy yung kanilang chicken. Mas maganda yung quality din. Daming order. Nakakain lang natin sa Jollibee. Now we're going to walk back home and burn some sugar. Inuwi ko yung parang paper mat nila as souvenir.
Take a right on Carnarvon Road. Then in 200 feet, take a left on Hart Avenue.
Oh my God.